Along the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, right at the confluence of the Hudson River, sits a massive metropolis whose skyscrapers seem to hold up the sky. This is New York, the global epicenter of finance, culture, and innovation. Often called the city that never sleeps, every single street here moves to its own rhythm, capturing the vibrant essence of the entire world in one place. Today, we take you on a journey through its iconic streets filled with yellow cabs, into Wall Street where the world's economic pulse is decided, and through the historic gateways where millions of immigrants began a new life. To experience this definitive documentary journey, tracking the towering skyline by drone and exploring the streets on foot, make sure to watch this video until the very end. Today, over 8.3 million people call this massive metropolis home. When including the greater metropolitan area, the population surges past 20 million people. This makes New York the most populous and densely packed urban center in the United States. When it comes to culture, New York is a rich global tapestry, with more than 800 distinct languages spoken across its neighborhoods. Throughout the city, various enclaves named after different countries form vibrant communities. These small worlds within New York preserve their native heritage, traditional clothing, and unique lifestyles completely intact. This rich cultural and artistic diversity comes alive in Broadway, the world's capital of theater and creativity, and the legendary Times Square. The massive electronic billboards, the high energy of street performers, and the endless sea of people flowing through the night are powerful testaments to the city's global fame. To keep residents and tourists moving smoothly, the city operates one of the world's largest and most extensive 24/7 subway networks, connecting every corner of the metropolis from end to end. Additionally, John F. Kennedy International Airport serves as one of the busiest aviation gateways on Earth, linking the city directly to every continent. Looking at its overall geography, New York spans roughly 783 square kilometers and is divided into 5 distinct boroughs. Sitting at an average elevation of 10 meters above sea level, this coastal city experiences 4 distinct seasons. Winters are freezing and heavily blanketed in snow, while summers are hot and humid. Looking back at its history, Dutch traders established the first trading post on the southern tip of the island in 1624, naming it New Amsterdam. Later, in 1664, the English seized control of the settlement and renamed it New York in honor of the Duke of York. Built from its inception on a foundation of commerce and multiculturalism, the city laid the groundwork to become the crossroads of the modern world. Standing tall in New York Harbor as an enduring symbol of freedom and safety, the world-famous Statue of Liberty was dedicated in 1886. A gift from France, this colossal monument served as the ultimate beacon of hope for millions of immigrants arriving across the Atlantic Ocean, many fleeing famine and war to start a new life. Another iconic global landmark that defines the skyline is the historic Empire State Building, located right in the heart of Manhattan. This 102-story architectural marvel was constructed rapidly during the height of the Great Depression in the 1930s, standing as a monument to American industrial strength and human engineering dominance. Hidden amidst the towering skyscrapers lies Central Park, a massive urban oasis spanning 340 hectares. This man-made natural sanctuary is filled with lush trees and serene lakes, offering a vital escape for residents looking to step away from the fast-paced, concrete jungle of the city. Now, let us cross over to the famous Brooklyn Bridge, which spans the East River to connect Manhattan and Brooklyn. Opened in 1883, it was the first steel wire suspension bridge in the world and is widely considered one of the greatest engineering marvels of the 19th century. Today, this historic bridge captures the true grandeur of New York in a single frame, serving as the perfect conclusion to our journey. In conclusion, New York is not just a city you visit. It is a living, unforgettable experience where historical majesty, human ambition, and modern civilization converge. Thank you for exploring the spectacular history and beauty of New York with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to become part of our community.